Hey guys, it's Richa here. Today I'll be teaching you the hook step to Muqabla. The cool thing about any hook step is you can use it at any party. And the best thing about this choreography is that you can use it for any of the Muqablas. So let's get into it. So we're going to start with our feet nicely wide apart like this. We're going to be squatting a little bit like this. And then you're going to get your right hand, make it into a fist, face it upward, and punch towards your left side in a diagonal. And then what you want to do is you want to get your left hand and you'll put it into a fist again, and you want to go 1. At the same time, while you're doing that, you want to pelvic thrust like this. This is technically our, the signature Muqabla move. So if you know this move, you will get it fine. So what you want to do is you want to punch and you want to pelvic thrust at the same time, like this. That's 1. And then you want to do the exact same thing on the other side. So you want to go like this, 2. So you want to go from here, 1, 2, and then you want to do a double back onto the left side. All right? That's your signature Muqabla move. And to complete that, you want to go 1 to the left, 2 to the right, and then double to the left. And then you want to go 1 to the right, 1 to the left, and then you want to go double to the right. So that's 8 counts there for you. So technically, it will kind of go like Mukkala, Muqabla, okay? And you want to do nice pelvic thrust while you do that. So the next step after that, we want to, from your torso upwards, you want to do a slight body roll like that. It's a double count, so you want to go 1, 2. At the same time, I kind of bring my hands in and I do a little wave like that. So I do a little body roll here, and I drop down a little bit, and I do a body roll here. So you want to go 1, 2, and 3, 4. So that's a 4 count there. We did 8 counts here, right? And then we do a double and a double, 4 count. So for the next move, we are wanting to face towards the right side of the room. And to do that, you would want to lift up your right foot first, then your left foot, just like this. And you're facing towards the right side now. So you want to go 1 and 2, just like that. Very easy. So now we go 1 and 2, facing towards the right side. We're not facing the front, facing towards the right side. The next move, the next count is pretty much just a head turn, okay? So we go 1 and 2, turn, okay? After that is your signature pelvic thrust that we've been doing at the beginning. So you kind of want to go hit up and hit up, okay? And what I do is I kind of have my hands out like this, and I go 1, 2, all right? I'm just going to put that move together for you. So we go 1, 2, 3, pelvic thrust, twice. Cool? I'm going to put it all together now. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Body roll, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. All right? And when you do your head turn, make sure you do like a little, like a stare, and then you hit it. When we do play the music, you will see what part that will go into. So the next part of Muqabla, the next part of the choreography is you want to have your feet apart like this as well. You kind of want to squat a little bit here. You want to bring your right hand and you put it on top of your head just like this. Pretend like you're holding a hat. Maybe wear a hat if you want to. Wear a hat, and then from here you want to do a 4 count. You want to hit 1, so bring your pelvic in and bring your elbow in like this, okay? So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going from the right to the left, 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is after that? That's after that. Cool. So we've just done 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, you want to do a little shimmy here, okay? It's not as bad as it sounds. So with the shimmy, 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 have your hands out a little bit. Get your shoulders going a little bit here. When you're doing that, you want to step forward, right? You want to step forward with your right, then you step forward with your left. 1, 2, do the same thing. Back with your right, then back with your left. Put it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Add a little levels to it if you can. So you want to go back, so I kind of bring my shoulders back and I go 1, 2, and then I go low, 3, 4. Okay? So let's put that together, going from that hat move. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The move after that, you want to kind of slightly lean towards the right. When I'm leaning towards the right, I've got my left leg nice and straight and I've got my right leg bent. At the same time, I'm going to get my right hand and I'm going to do clicks towards the right side. And when I do the clicks, you want to bring your knee together with the clicks. And you want to do that 3 times there, okay? So you want to go 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. And then after you've done the third one, you want to kind of shuffle across to the left side of the room. And when you shuffle across, it's just a 1, 2, okay? Nothing too big, nothing too extravagant there, okay? You go with your right leg first, then your left. So we've gone 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Then you want to do the exact same move there. You want to mirror that on the other end, okay? You want to lean towards the left. You want to have your right leg nice and straight. You want to have your left leg bent, and you want to click with your left, all right? 1, 2, 3. Let's put that together. Let's put 1, 2, 3 clicks together, okay? So we go 1, 2, 3, shuffle across, 1, 2, 3. You might find it a little bit difficult to do it on your left side if you're a righty, and you might find it a little bit difficult to do it on your right side if you're a lefty. But it does, you do get better with practice. Now let's put all of that together from our signature Muqabla steps all the way through the clicking, all right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, Lela. And then you want to go step across, turn, hit, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, shimmy, 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 shimmy. 1, 2, 3, across. 1, 2, 3. You may find the song might be a little bit faster, but don't worry. As I said, practice does make it perfect, and you will hear the beats that the moves should hit to. Cool, let's put it all together to the music. Hope you enjoyed this choreography. If you did give it a go, please video yourself and send it to me via my social media channels, which are down below. If you did really enjoy this video and my choreography, please give this video a big thumbs up. Any feedback and comments would be amazing. If you want to see more content like this, more dance-related content like this, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would love it a million times. Thank you so much. Richa Chandra signing off.
Yo!